This is my kind of closing statement, and this is like the way that I believe things are going to be going forward. If you want to come up for local search specifically, to be the answer. Things have changed in that, like I said, there's signals for things. Google's a signal, YouTube, the number 2 search engine, it's neck and neck with ChatGPT, but it's still a powerful force, very underutilized. YouTube is a search engine. All the different outlets that your site can be, all the different links that it can be, directories, news articles, probably a thing on News 8 wouldn't hurt to just have some outbound links to places that have authority. And the more of those that you have, the more signals you have, the more AI will know that you're the answer. The truth is, just be really awesome at what you do. Make sure that you focus on reviews, because reviews are like the lifeline, and your social media presence is a lifeline now. So if people are sharing your content and people are leaving you good reviews, it's really hard to fake that. If you have 70 5-star reviews, it's really, really difficult unless you're paying a service maliciously and you'll get taken down for that. You can't really fake that. So TripAdvisor and all those different types of places, make sure that you are the answer. Make sure that all the signals that you can possibly put in place lead back to your website, and your website is built to take a quality lead. This is a conversation this morning. Again, nice walkable apartments in Milford, Connecticut, showing MetroStar at the top. That's how I had them placed there. And I'll scoot through to the next and final. This is actually what wins now, is the SEO is no longer about ranking pages. The AI is going to select an answer, and people are going to choose that answer over anything else. And very rarely are they going to go to the local pack or to all the web pages that follow on Google. They're going to take the answer from AI and they're going to run with it. AI has integrated shopping. They're integrating Shopify stores, and probably will replace Shopify in the next year entirely. So that's it. Be the answer. Develop a website using AI, a service like Replit or Lovable, Claude Code, and keep up with it, because it's not going away. And if you think that holding on to the existing systems is a way to go, it really isn't. Try to adopt the new stuff as soon as you can, because it's moving so fast. And I've been doing this for 25 years, and I've never seen it go through this period like this. It was stuck in limbo for probably 15 years. And in the last 2 years, it's accelerated at a point that it's almost getting hard to explain. So that's it. Again, I hope you might have learned something here today. I appreciate the time. I'm Michael Baker. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.